Welcome to Disney's Hotel Cheyenne here at Disneyland Paris. This is it. This is the last hotel other than Davy Crockett Ranch. We won't get into it, but this is the last official Disneyland Paris hotel that we haven't stayed at. And I've always been excited about it. It's themed to the Old West, and I love that theme. And it's the exterior, everything out there is phenomenal. Also, everything's super well themed, and the room is actually really cool. So let's check out the room. Okay, so we're going to start here at the entrance. We have plenty of space to put back. I love the faux wood paneling. It all looks good. It's thematic. All the little touches work really well. It's a European thing. They always include the crib. The electronic safe is here. There's more room for bags down below. Just a lot of storage space, and of course you can hang stuff here. All right, we're going to go into the bathroom, which I think is great. Again, everything fits the theme pretty well color-wise. If you watched our Hotel Santa Fe tour, there are some similarities, but I think generally it's a big upgrade. Everything feels better laid out, better quality materials in this room. Similar layout. So, of course, my big thing, you know how much I love this. I love the themed amenities. Look at this soap. This is Hotel Cheyenne exclusive soap. Amazing. Then we have the cups. Oh, dropped it in the water. Great. The sink's wet for some reason. That's always a good sign. And then my favorite thing is that there's tissue boxes. Look at that beautiful logo. It's great. I love that they've kept the original logos to all these hotels. I love that. The integrity. That being said, this is an IP room, and I love it. I think it can be done right. It can not feel forced. So there's a ledge back here again with the toilet. There are the two bigger flush, smaller flush. Toilet paper there on the side. There's our toilet. The towel rack not in the shower, which is probably better, honestly. And then let's take a look at this shower curtain. Isn't that great? Horseshoe and leather accompaniments. It's very cute. And I love, the faux wood paneling. My number one thing is I think it doesn't cost more to not do just tile or white tile especially. And I always think when you just make the shower feel themed, I don't know. I think it's such an important part of it. And there's very few, Disney World especially, there's very few of them where the shower is thematic at all. There's the tub. All the same stuff as Santa Fe. The detachable shower head, adjustable there. This mounted Let's Ride shampoo. Also, again, Hotel Cheyenne exclusive. And then they have... Getting the light here, they have the shampoo and conditioner as well. And we like to ask every day for more of those because we like to take them home because I collect them. I have many, many bottles and soaps and all sorts of things from Disney hotels around the world over the years because I love that. I just think it's so cool. So no mirror here this time. Unlike Santa Fe, they didn't put the mirror, but similar little desk set up here, some storage underneath. If there was a chair, you could pull it over here, I guess, and work from here. The problem is there aren't chairs in these rooms, so it's interesting. You could hang stuff on this door here. Let's take a look at the bedroom, which is, I love it. It just strikes the theme perfectly, right? While still including IP for people that, if that's a thing that's important to people, it's here. This is great. You actually have USB. Look at this. USB. Unbelievable. Of course, we've got 6 of these drawers. And we've got this amazing lamp. So I believe this is original. The boot lamp is original. And then they got these new lampshades, which are Woody's Roundup. How great is that? How great is that? Of course, our TV is here. I just love this unit. This whole unit. Try not to fall over. This whole unit is great. What could be a seat, or honestly, you could just put your bags there, whatever. But it's nice. I like this. It looks great. The mirror is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. A little sheriff badge and the horseshoe shape. Really charming. Then this curtain, man. The Woody clothes curtain. Great. Looks like his shirt and his pants. And the view actually is fantastic. So we're facing the courtyard where the teepees are and the fort and Fort Apache. This is great. This might be the most times I've said this is great in a video. I rarely like things people say. Joking. I like things all the time. They happen to be good things, and I happen to have standards. It's good to have standards. It's good to like things and dislike things and have opinions on things. These are good qualities, folks. So the wall border is also the Woody's Roundup logo. Very cute. Even this art, it's just out of the movie, but it works really well. Woody, Jesse, and Bullseye. And then we have these lights. One is burnt out. Welcome to Disneyland Paris. It's a thing. Happens a lot. The one light is burnt out, but it does give us the opportunity to get a good look at the Woody light, and you can see it lit here. So obviously at Santa Fe we had 2 beds. So the way this works is, so we have a bed over here. Obviously lots of storage space underneath, which is great. We have end tables on both sides. There's outlets there too, European outlets. This bed runner, which the faux horsehide or cowhide, whatever. It's great. Very charming. So much. I wish Disney World would bring back the runners. I know no one they don't stay on the bed, but they do add a lot. They really mean something when you walk in a room. It completes it. And then, so the story with this guy is like someone sleeps up here, and you see this mattress has seen some things. Because it's a little warped down at the bottom. I'm sure these pillows move, right? Yeah. So these are, you can do whatever you want with those. And so this would still sleep 2 people. What you have to do is pull this out. It's really hard to do with one person or one hand, because if it gets uneven, it then is hard to take out. I'm going to try this one more time from the middle. See if I can do it. I did it. And then, oh, look at that, rises up. I didn't even know. That's amazing. It's so weird. I love it. It's definitely leaning in that way. I bet if I push it out, I could probably, right? Is it attached? Or can I swing it out? No, it's not attached. So I could pull it out this way, because I think if I push this headrest back more, yeah, it'll even out. Cool, it did. So it's a completely independent unit. So this is good for the kids, right? So this will sleep 2 more people. So you'll sleep 4 in here. I'll leave that out for now. I got to photograph it anyway. And then, I got to get in here because I got to show you how cute the wall border is up here. Almost looks like a little faux ledge. It's got some depth. It pushes in a little bit, and then they decided, well, since it looks like it pushes in, it's a good opportunity to make it look like a shelf of items, right? So we got to go look. I got to go see what books are up here. Disney fans, we know we always got to read. You always got to read the spine of the book. There's always going to be some reference here. Okay, we got My First Book of Horse Stories, Lasso Law, River Rescue, Ride Like the Wind, One-Eyed Bart, Hey Howdy Hey, Bell Bottom Horse, the Enchilada Brothers, You've Got a Friend in Me, and wow, that one is dark. Woody's Last Roundup. Okay, so they're all Woody's Roundup related and Toy Story related things. We have the Woody's Roundup clock, Bullseye, and Woody, you're there with suitcase, old Western luggage. There's a cowboy hat. There's Jessie, the Yodel and Cowgirl, of course. I gotta get over here because there's more books. I assume these will be different books. Let's go see what's here. No. Oh, some of them are different. Rope and Rescue, Jessie the Yodel and Cowgirl, my first book of horse stories again. Showdown at the Okie Dokie Corral, and Rustler Roundup. Here you go, we read them all. There is a ceiling fan. Unlike Santa Fe, you also can control the climate in your room, which is great. There's a climate control right over here. And then, I think that's everything. I think that's the room here at Hotel Cheyenne. In review, I am pretty sure I would consider this my favorite hotel and my favorite hotel room at Disneyland Paris. And that says a lot because these hotels were built in 1990s, which I think was Disney Imagineering at its peak. The peak of the second generation of Disney Imagineers was everything they did on this park and resort, and the company in total. I think the whole Parks and Resorts division. No, this is really charming, and it's in this beautiful setting. Really, if you walk around here, it feels like a legit Western town. Everything's very thematic. It's what you want out of a Disney hotel, and I think sometimes Disney World we forget. I think people forget what people want when they come to a Disney resort. They want that theme. They've come on a theme park vacation. They want theme. They want to be lost in a story, in a place that's not like home. That's what it's about. And sure, like, I know there are people that like Riviera and you know, the new Coronado building and those things. I get that. They're not bad hotel rooms. They're just not Disney hotel rooms because they're not this. They don't make you feel like you're somewhere else as opposed to just feeling like, you know, maybe a slightly nicer Marriott or something along those lines. But again, Hotel Cheyenne, really so charming. It's a charming Western resort and a charming Western hotel room. Giddy up.